Hello everyone, I am Vasant from 3rd year CSC department. I am here to tell about the topic about support vector machine. Here are the list of contents in support vector machine. Introduction, example, types of SVM, hyperlane SVM, support vector in SVM, how does SVM works. Introduction. Support vector machine or SVM is one of the most popular supervised learning algorithms which is used for classification as regression problems. However, primarily it is used for classification problem in machine learning. The goal of the SVM algorithm is to create the best line or decision boundary that can be segregated in the n-dimensional space into classes so that we can easily put the data point in the correct category in the future. Next, types of SVM. Linear SVM and non-linear SVM. Linear SVM is used for the linearly separable data, which means if the data set can be classified into two classes by using a single straight line, then such data is termed as a linear separable data. Non-linear SVM. Non-linear SVM is used for the non-linearly separated data, which means if the data set cannot be classified by using a straight line. Hyperplane is SVM. There can be a multiple lines decision boundaries to segregate the classes in the n-dimensional space, but we need to find out the best decision boundary that helps to classify the data points. The best boundary is known as hyperplane of SVM. The dimension of the hyperplane depends upon the features in the dataset, which means if there are two features and if there are three features, the hyperplane will be a two-dimensional plane. We always create hyperplane that has a maximum margin, which means the maximum distance between the data points. Support vector in SVM. The data points are vectors that are closest to the hyperplane and which affects the position of the hyperplane are termed as support vector. Since the support vector are hyperplane, hence called as a support vector. How does a SVM work? The working of the SVM algorithm can be understood by using an example. Suppose we have a data set that has two tags and the data tags has two features. Hence, SVM algorithm helps to find the best line or decision. This boundary or region is called as hyperplane. SVM algorithm finds the closest point to the lines from the both classes. These points are called as support vectors. The distance between the vectors and the hyperplane is called as margin, and the goal of SVM is to maximize its margin. The hyperplane with the maximum margin is called as optimal hyperplane. Thank you.